Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So today I'm going to talk about a little bit on the educational side, where I'm going to explain something for long term and for long term people. It's going to help people stay in some kind of investment or just follow the trend and be in the direction of the trend. It's something very basic. So I'm going to talk about something called, what I follow is something called the 50 moving average. I normally use it on a higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, because it keeps me in the trade for a longer duration and it just tells the overall state of the market and the state of the stock. So come, let's have a look at how to get about the 50 moving average. So I'm going to add this indicator here. I'm going to go to the indicator tab. Just going to add a moving average exponential. Alright. And this I'm going to convert to the 50 moving average. थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखने के लिए I'm just going to make it a bit thick. Right? And then okay. So what we can see on this moving average is that when this moving average turns and starts becoming bullish, the price of the stock becomes bullish and the Dow theory is also making higher highs and higher lows. When that happens, it is a good stock to be in. This tells that the overall trend of this stock is higher. So now overall, this keeps on heading higher for a very long duration. So this has started something from 570, which finally ends near to 4,000. Now, I'm not saying that one should do this, enter here or enter there. This is not an advisory service. This is just for education as to now the price is below the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is sloping downward. So one should avoid being in stocks because that can, or stocks or something which is below the 50 moving average. What that makes is it creates a lot of confusion and there can be a lot of sideways action. I'll give you another example. In the same stock, have a look at this moving average here. This is shaping downward. You do not want to buy the stock here while it is shaping downward and the moving average is sideways to downward. You don't want to buy it. I'll give you another example. Something like a BHEL. BHEL, over the years, the overall trend of this moving average has been down. What happened after 2021 is, ये slope है ना moving average का, this turned to the upside, right? This is just an education thing. It then became sideways here and again on the upside it's moved. So this is just for education. Just keep a watch on this moving average. It is very crucial. Try making your own observations and your own analysis by just adding this simple moving average. It is very important, especially on the higher time frame. I like to use it on the weekly, so maybe you can try it on the weekly. Thank you.